Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. How to prepare for MEO Class 2 COC exams, where to find previous year papers, when you should start your preparation and how much time is enough. These are the three questions. Now the PPT that has been made, with some points I agree, with some points I do not agree. I'll share it with you. So how to prepare written के अंदर past year papers. Now this is very very important. If you can do the previous 1 year past year questions, लगभग a lot of questions are repeated or come from the similar pattern. So at least previous 1 year questions have to be done in a very good way. Second thing is practice diagrams. Now there was a thumb rule when I was giving my written exams, and one thing I can say proudly, that is I cleared all my writtens whether for class 4, class 2, class 1 in first attempt. Orals was a different ball game altogether. Class 4 1 attempt, class 2 3 attempts. There will be a reason I'll be sharing in the another video for class 2 series. Class 1 2 attempts. So when I talk about why I could clear written exams in the first attempt, there was one big reason. First of all, my writing was very good. Second thing is I ensured that my writing was very good. Second thing was I made a lot of diagrams. Now survey is taking a lot of things out here. It is difficult to read each and everything. With the diagram it is very easy for him to understand that this guy understand. Similarly, doing all the numericals that are coming in the written exams, that is also very, because written mein exams mein if numerical is there and if it is correct you get full marks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So passing becomes very easy. So practice diagrams. Even if a question is not asking diagram, make one, present one. That is very important. उसके अलावा like they said ना, always draw diagrams, even not asked mentioned in the question. Yes, frame answer in your own words. Don't copy paste and write it. This is another very very important thing. Never ever ये नहीं कि जो लिखा है वही कॉपी करते, write in your own words. That is very important. Understand the question, theory आपने पढ़ी हुई है, but if you write in your own words, it will always be better. How to prepare for orals? आज के में इतने सारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, join one where the maximum people are there, and or most importantly many people are active in that group. Copy, that is one of the most important thing. And see what all is going on in the market. Say you have decided to give exam from Kochi, then join the telegram group where people from Kochi are giving exams, right? So that you can know, अच्छा Kochi में exam हो रहा है, this is the surveyor, I have to prepare this way. If it is happening online and any surveyor from any place can take, then it's a different ball game, then you have to be everywhere. But knowing your interviewer, the place you are giving interview is very very important. Collecting the data is very important because there is this huge sum. The syllabus is huge. You do not know what interviewer is going to ask, what kind of mood he is going to be. So be active in those telegram groups, write down those questions book and prepare them that way. Watch for others answer also. It may include some info that you are not aware of. Not. So what others are answering, that is also, and be active and you also answer, because some people they avoid answering, अरे यार मैं क्यों करूँ, I do not have time. But when you answer, you realize, if some people will tell you, no, this is correct, this is wrong. So you also get to know. So that is why being active on Telegram at least for an hour in a day is very very important. The syllabus is vast and there is a lot of study material available. So along with the studies, discussing questions is very very important. I still remember during my MEO class 1 exams, क्वेश्चन ये था कि मेरी बहन की शादी थी. आई वॉज नॉट देयर प्रिपेयरिंग विद माई बैचमेट्स ओवर देयर. सो एवरी डे आई यूज्ड टू बी ऑन अ कॉन कॉल विद 3 or 4 फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन एंड वी शुड डिस्कस. आज बंकर मैनेज कन्वेंशन डिस्कस किया, आज ये डिस्कस किया, आज वो डिस्कस किया, एंड इट हेल्प बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग यू लर्न दैट वे ऑल्सो. So that is why forming a common discussion group and every day for 1 hour discussing things, that is very very important. I feel that is where the community role comes into play. Copied. Where to find previous year questions? Now this is from my team. I am not very sure and I do not take any accountability by. One is Dieselship website. For free you get only questions. With payment you get questions with answers as well. Very soon I promise you, even Merchant Navy Decoded is going to provide you all these things. Copied. Second is download Marine Samraj app for latest updates with latest previously asked questions. So you can get all these questions papers over here as well. Copied. And very soon Merchant Navy Decoded is going to provide all these question papers on Merchant Navy Decoded platform. Where should you start your preparation from and how much time is enough? Well guys, I do not agree with this point. As I said at the starting of the video, that minimum 1 month before the exam, spend at least 8 hours daily in preparation plus revision. यार ये सब ना, this is a very subjective matter कि कोई 8 घंटे पढ़ता है. I've seen some of my friends studying for 4 hours but they were very very focused and those 4 hours were very much enough for them. And there were people like me who were slogging all the time. 8 hours studying but बीच में फ़ोन चल रहा है, कभी sometimes talking to दोस्तों से, कभी बात हो रही है, you know, special friends. So तो studying for 8 hours but net result was only for 2 hours. And writing is very important. Write, practice. Even for orals, write down the pointers, make your notes, पॉइंटर्स, स्मॉल पॉइंटर्स. अच्छा, ISM के 12 पॉइंटर्स, छोटे से इतनी पतली कॉपी. मेक दोज नोट्स so that at the last moment you can just revise those small booklet. कहानी खत्म, job is done. But the best point that you can do is you can start the day you have done your first selling as a MEO class 4 part B guy. You have sailed for 4th year, 1 contract. You know, after 2nd contract you have to give your MEO class 2 exams. Buy MEO class 2 package at Merchant Navy Decoded. Like we have created MEO class 4 package, excellence package, MEO class 1 excellence package. MEO class 2 package will be coming very soon. If it is there, you can check in the description box or in the comment section. If it is there, it is your jackpot. Because on board second ship, you can watch those videos, you can start making notes there and then itself. It will help you with your class 2 preparation, yaar. Why to wait? Come and do that preparatory course. You'll be one step ahead. And that is where these recorded classes plus community of Merchant Navy Decoded is going to help you. Copy it, guys. Last but not the least, as I told you, MEO class 2 packages might be coming soon. बट अगर आपको MEO क्लास 2 के बारे में यू वांट टू हैव ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज नीडेड, द बेस्ट वे दैट यू कैन हैव इज कि go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to professional section, there is a free course over there, go to MEO class 2 free course, link is in the description box, watch all the videos. Knowledge is the key, you will have all the information and open the lock to success. Copy it, guys. If you want to check whether you are eligible for MEO class 2 or not, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, go to calculators, go to eligibility calculator for MEO class, click on the class 2 button and fill your details, find out whether you are eligible or not. I hope you like this video, it is informative. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.